Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2A and 2B simulation exam. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So the question number 1 is: select the column B to C and then insert the two columns. Use the flash fill to insert the category which begins with the ornaments in the column B beginning with the cell B6. Select the column B to C, insert a two column. Right click and insert a column. And type the ornaments. Press enter. In the column B is beginning with the B6, use the flash fill to insert the category. Go to the home tab and go to the editing group. Select the fill and select the flash fill. Go to cell C6, proclaim ornament. Press enter and use a flash fill to copy the product which began with the proclaim ornament down, completing the column. Go to the home tab and select the fill and select the flash fill. Delete a column A. Select the column A, right click and delete the column A. Go to the next step is step number 2. Use a cut and paste to move the column C so that it is the column G. Cut the column C and paste column G. Select the column C, right click, click cut and paste the column G. Select the G and clipboard and paste the column G. Delete the column C from the data worksheet. Select the column C, right click and delete the column C. Simultaneously auto fit the width of column A to F. A to F. Select the column A to F and auto fit column. Double click auto fit column. Question number 2 is complete. So question number 3 is: in a cell G11, insert a function that will calculate the total profit for the range E6 to E35. Type the G11, press enter. Insert the function that will calculate the total profit cell in the range E6 to E5. Type is equal to sum function. Double click sum function. Double click sum function and go to the scroll down. Sum function range is E6 to E35. Close bracket, press enter. So the next step is in a cell J5 insert a function that will calculate the average price for the range C6 to C35. Type the range C6 to C35. Press enter. Insert a function to with the calculate the average price. Scroll down. Sorry. Select the J5. Type is equal to average function. Double click the average function. Range is C6 to C35. Press close bracket and press enter the button. Question number 3 is complete. So the next question is question number 4. Select the cell J7. J7 and type is equal to insert a function that will display the median price for the range C6 to C35. Insert median function is equal to type a median function, double click the median and range is C6 to C35. C5 close bracket and press is equal to press the button is enter the button. So the next question is question number 5. In a cell J6, insert a function that will display the lowest price for the range is C6 to C35. Go to the cell J6. J6 type is equal to function that will display the lowest price for the range. Lowest price. So type the minimum function, double click the minimum for the range C6 to C35. Select the range C6 to C35. Close bracket and press the enter the button. In a cell J8, insert a function that will display the highest price for the range C6 to C35. Go to the cell J8. Type is equal to maximum price. So type the maximum, double click the maximum and range, type the range is C6 to C35. Close bracket and press the enter the button. Move the content and formatting of the range H5 to J12 and B5 to D12. Type the range H5 to J12, press enter, select the range to B5 to D12. Move to the range B5 to D12. B5 to D12. Release the left button. And similarly auto fit column C and D. Select the column C and D Double click the autofit column. To the range D5 to D9, apply the 20% ASIN to cell style. Select the range B5 to D9. Press enter the button. Apply the 20% ASIN to cell style. Go to the home tab and cell style group. Select the cell style. 20% ASIN to cell style. The 20% ASIN to cell style. Question number 6 is complete. So the next question is question number 7. Merge the range B5 to B9 and the change the orientation of the text in a cell B5 to 22 degrees. Type the range B5 to B9, press enter and select the range. Change the orientation from the text in B5 to 22 degrees. Right click, format cell and go to the alignment tab. Merge the range. Select the merge cell. Change the orientation of the text B5 to 22 degrees and degrees is 22. Type the 22 and click OK. In the cell C9, type the stationery products and then press the enter. Go to the cell C9. Select the cell C9 and type the stationery product. Press enter the button. In a cell D9, insert a function that will count the total number of stationery products available in the range A15 to A44. Go to the cell D9 and type the function is type is equal to and type the function is countf. Countf the function and open the countf function. Go and click OK and countf function is open. Count the total number of stationery products available in the range A15 to A44. So range is A50 to A44 and criteria box means stationery. Type the stationery. And click OK. Question number 8 is complete. So the next question is question number 9. Question number is 9. In a cell F15, insert a function that will automatically display the word discontinue if the value in the cell D5 is less than 1500 or the next is no changes if the value in cell D15 greater than or equal to 1500. So the go to the cell F15. F15 and type the if function is equal to type the function, double click if function and open the if function. Automatically display the word, sorry, go to the next step. F15 insert a function that will automatically display the word discontinue value in a cell D15 less than or 1500 or the next no changes. Go to the cell F15. If D5 is greater than 15, discontinue semicolon comma no changes and press the enter the button and fill the formula F15 down to F16 to F44. Copy the formula F16 to F44. So the step number 9 is complete. Next question is question number 9. Apply the conditional formatting to the selected range F15 to F44 so that if in a cell within the range contain the word discontinue, the cell text will be formatted with the dark red font color in the first column, the first color under the standard color. Change the fill color to no color. Conditional formatting. Type the range F15 to F44, press enter, select the range. Apply the conditional formatting. Go to the home tab and style group, click the conditional formatting, and next is cell that contain. Go to the highlight text that contain and type the word is discontinue. Discontinue and the cell text will be formatted dark red font color, the custom format, dark red font color, dark red font color in the first column, first color, standard color. Change the fill color as no color. Go to the fill color and click the no color, click OK and click again OK. Apply the conditional formatting to display the gradient fill data bar in the range D15 to D44. D15 to D44. Select the range. Select the range. Apply the conditional formatting to display the gradient fill red data bar in the range D15 to D44. Go to the home tab and select the conditional formatting, select the data bar, and gradient fill red data bar. Gradient fill red data bar. Red data bar. Question number 10 is complete. So the next question is question number 11. Select the range A15 to A44. Replace all instants of the text clothing with the text apparel at one time. Close all open dialog boxes. Select the range A15 to A44. Press enter. Select the range and replace all instant of the next clothing. Shortcut button is Control F. Sorry. Control F. Select the range A15 to replace all instant, and width is find what clothing. Type the clothing. Thing and replace dialog box. Type the apparel. Go to the replace all done. We made 3 replacement. Click OK and click close. Question number 11 is complete. So the next question is question number 12. In a cell D12, insert a function that retrieves the date and time from your computer calendar and clock. Go to cell D12 and type is equal to no function. Double click no and press the enter button. Make a cell A1 the active cell and then freeze all rows above a row 15. A1, select the cell, freeze all row above a row 15. Select the row 15. And then freeze all row above a row 15. Go to the view tab and window group, select the freeze pane and freeze pane. Unfreeze all row and column in the worksheet. And go to the freeze pane and unfreeze the pane. Question number 14 is insert a table with the header using the range A50 to F44. Type the range A40 to F44. Press enter. Insert the table header using the range. Go to the insert tab and select the table. Click OK. Apply the table style orange, table style light 10 under light. Go to the table design and select the table style, more table style light 10, table style light 10, orange table style light 10 and select the table. Question number 14 is complete. So the next question is question number 15. Sort the table from A to Z by analysis. Sort the table by analysis. Select the analysis from A to Z. Go to the formula tab, review tab. Editing group and table from A to Z. Sort the A to Z. And sort the table from A to Z by category column. So that the category column A to category column A to Z. Sort the table from smallest to largest by price. Select the price column and editing group, sort and filter. Smallest to largest. Sort the smallest to largest. Question number 15 is complete. So the next question is question number 16. Filter the table so that only item in the kitchen category display. Kitchen category column. Select the category column. Filter the table so that only item in the kitchen category display. Kitchen is only display. Select the kitchen and click OK. Use the total row to sum the total quantities sold for products in the kitchen category. Go to the home tab and table design and table style option. Select the total row to sum the total quantities sold for product in the kitchen category. And total, click arrow and click a sum. Total quantity. Total row to sum the total quantity sold. Go to the arrow and select the sum. Question number 16 is complete. So the next question is question number 17. Clear the filter from the table. Select the category column and clear the filter from the table. Clear the filter from the category. Remove the total row from the table. Go to the table design and deselect the total row. Change the worksheet zoom level to 15. Go to the page layout, review tab, and change the view tab and change the worksheet zoom level to 15. Select the 15 and click OK. Next step is restore the worksheet zoom level to 100%. Zoom level is 100%. Click OK. Question number 18 is complete. Make a cell E10 the active cell and then split the window. Select the E10. The active cell and then split the window. Go to the view tab and select the split and remove the split bar from the window and then make A1 the active cell. Move the split and select the A1 cell. Apply the slice theme to the worksheet. Go to the page layout tab and select the theme group. Apply the slice theme. Go to the slice theme. Select the slice theme. Select a column E to F and change the column width to 15. Select the column E to F and change the column width is 15. Type 15 and click OK. Step number 19 is complete. So the next step is step number 20. Change the orientation to the landscape. Go to the page layout tab and select the page setup group and click the orientation and select the landscape. Modify the worksheet so that the column header in the row 14 display on every printed page. Select the row 14. Go to the page layout tab and select the print title. Row repeat at the top. Select the row 14. Click OK. Display the print preview and change the scaling of the worksheet fit all column in one page. display the print preview. Go to the file tab and select the print tab and then change the scaling of the worksheet to the fit all column on a one page. Go to the scaling, no scaling. Select the fit all column on a one page, fit all column on a fit all row on a one page, fit all column on a one page, and fit sheet on the fit all column on page. So the next question is question number 21. Rename the sheet 1 worksheet tab is to Q2R1. Rename a sheet 1 worksheet tab to Q2R1. Right click, rename and Q2R1. Type the Q2R1 and press enter button. Change the color of the Q2R1 worksheet tab to the orange adjacent to 6 column, the first color. Right click and tab color 6 column, the first color. Six column, first color, orange adjacent to, and select the orange adjacent to. Rename the sheet 2 with the worksheet tab to the QTR2. Select the sheet 2, right click, rename the sheet, type the QTR2, press enter the button. Change the color of the QTR2 worksheet tab to gold adjacent 4, 8th column, the first color. Select the QTR worksheet, right click and tab color gold adjacent 4. Select the gold adjacent 4.